if you have the Hyip Rio version 1.2, 1.4, and you've not upgraded it to the latest version 2.4, man, you are missing. Trust me. Like, the version 2.4 is loaded. Like, it is loaded. It comes with 3 extra themes. Yeah, and one thing about it that I love the most is the UI. The UI is amazing. Now, first we have the money version. This is the money version that is added. Like, it is awesome. The color combo, the UI is just killing. Trust me, it's top notch. Now we have the mining version also, and you need to see the back end. You need to see their back end, how colorful it is. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly run through, how you can really install this very latest version of Hyip Rio version 2.4. And you know how we do it. If you need this very script, the latest version, just WhatsApp us using the number below this video, and we're going to give you the script at a cheaper rate. Trust me, we have the selling price, we have our subscriber price. So let me just do a run through and teach you how you can really install this very script in case you get it. I have logged into my cPanel. What I'm going to do, I am going to upload my file, then I'm going to extract it. I'm done uploading, so the next thing is I will just click and I will extract my script. Once I'm done extracting, I'm going to delete the main script because I don't really need it anymore. Then I'll reload and my files are here. So the next thing is for us to go to our cPanel and go and create a database. I always love using database wizard because it is fast for me. Yeah. Then what we are going to do, we are going to create database name, database username, and password. It's user. Once you are done creating user, you come here and you click on all privileges. Click on main changes. Now as it is loaded, come back to this place, right click on your .env, click on edit, because we want to make changes to our database and the rest. So come back here and copy your database name and your database username. So I'll just come to this place and I'll replace this very existing one with my one. Just replace it, and now you are going to concatenate the password like this. Then what is your URL? This is my URL. So if it is if you're on the subdomain, you make it subdomain. Then the app name. What is the app name? Yeah, I'll just leave it like this. Then I'm done with this. You hit save. Now go back and upload. Click on PHP My Admin and upload your SQL. Upload your SQL. So I'm just going to upload my SQL. All right, just locate your SQL file, which is this. Just locate your database name, then click on import. And we are going to import our SQL file. I have uploaded my SQL file. Now we are done. That is all. So the next thing is just for you to go to your browser and load your site. So now as you can see, our site has loaded. This is our site. Now let's log into the admin dashboard and let's see how the admin look like here. Now, this is the admin dashboard. So from the admin dashboard here, you can actually change themes. If you scroll down to where you see manage theme, scroll down to this place, you see theme manager here. Now if you click on theme manager, you see site theme. From here you have opportunity to change, like I love this mining investing. The user dashboard looks so sweet. You can actually use this very particular one. Can you see? There we have the money invest here. So this is the default one. So you can pick from these two. Is that okay? You can pick from these two. Now immediately you do this, the next thing you want to do, you want to go and create your clone job. Go and do your clone job. It's very important. Now from here you see your customers or your investors. Then if you want to create KYC, it's from this place. Then from this place is where you create your investment plan. If you click on schedule here, this is where you click you check the investment plan hours, if it is hour, daily, and the rest here. Now if you click on manage schema here, this is where you can create your investment plan. You click on add new, then you can create any investment plan of yours. Now from this place you see your deposit. You can create automatic deposit method, or you can use manual. This is where your automated is. You can create it, or if you want to create manual, you want to use your own BTC, ETH, then you just click on this add new and you create your own deposit, wallet, etc. So this is awesome. Like I said, if you need this very script, all you just need to do is use the WhatsApp number below this video, message me on WhatsApp, and you'll get this very script.